Today we are going to prepare sambar. Sambar is a classic South Indian dish which is loved by everybody. It can be enjoyed with idlis, dosas, or only steamed rice is also a very good pair with sambar. I prefer eating sambar with steamed rice a lot. I tried to make this sambar in a simple way, yet I have shared many tips and tricks to make perfect hotel style or restaurant style sambar. So here comes sambar in So's Food Corner style. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to this page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's start with this recipe of sambar. So for this I have taken here lentils or arhar dal around 1.25 cups or 180 gram approx, and I have washed them and soaked in water for 30 minutes. And I need to pressure cook this lentils, so I have taken a pressure cooker and I'll add the lentils to it and 2 cups of water, salt as per my taste around 1 or 1.5 teaspoon, and turmeric powder half teaspoon. I'll pressure cook it for 2 whistles and then wait till the pressure releases. And some vegetables I have taken here. I have taken a pumpkin, chopped pumpkin with skin around 150 grams. I love the texture when it has skin on it. And chopped green beans I have taken here 1 cup. Carrot I have taken 1 medium size. I have also diced these carrots. Actually all the vegetables should be of bite size pieces so that it's easy for anyone to eat sambar. And eggplant I have taken 1 medium size, and after cutting it I have soaked them in water. Drumstick I have taken 1 and I have cut it into bite size pieces, and we need to remove the upper skin a little bit so that it's not rough. Onion I have taken 1 medium size and I have cut it into shells in this way. I have cut it into quarters and then I have separated the cells. Actually this gives a very nice flavor. Apart from that, I'll take 1 large onion and I'll just slice it. 2 large tomatoes, I have chopped it roughly. Roughly, it can be also big size. It will ultimately mix in the sambar. And then I have here curry leaves 10 to 15, and I have taken tamarind pulp here around 4 to 5 tablespoons. If you have the concentrated one, you can also dilute it using water. Basically 4 to 5 tablespoons of tamarind pulp we need. This gives a very nice flavor. And I have some green chilies here 2 to 3, and a very major ingredient is good or jaggery around 1.5 teaspoon, and few spices, mustard seeds or rye I have taken a 1 teaspoon, cumin or jeera I have taken a half teaspoon, fenugreek or methi seeds I have taken a half teaspoon, whole dry red chilli 1 to 2 you can take, turmeric powder or haldi half teaspoon, and red chilli powder I have taken a 1 teaspoon. Apart from that, I have also added heeng here, but I have not mentioned this in my ingredient list. So let's start making. I have heated a kadhai basically on medium heat, and I will add to it 3 tablespoons of oil. You can also use mustard oil at this stage, but I have used regular oil. And when the oil is heated, I will add the spices. First goes in rye or mustard seeds, then cumin seeds, then the methi or fenugreek seeds, and then dry whole red chilli. Then green chilies goes in, and just wait till everything crackles up. And then I'll add curry leaves. So basically we need all the spices to release its essential oils in our heated oil, so that it gives a nice aroma. And as I said, once the spices have crackled, then add heeng and now mix it. This heeng gives a very nice aroma to our spices. And now add sliced onions. Mix it and cook for just 1 minute. See, and once the onions started to soften, add the chopped tomatoes and now mix it. And after 1 to 2 minutes, the tomatoes will started to soften, and at this stage we will be adding our vegetables. So at this stage the flame is on medium high. Now add all the vegetables one by one except eggplant. So here goes my pumpkin, then carrots, the beans and drumstick. You can also add some potatoes in. And now I'll add salt according to my taste, and then I'll mix everything. Basically we just want all the spices and tomatoes and onions and these vegetables to be cooked together. We are not actually cooking these vegetables in pressure cooker, so this process gives very nice taste. After mixing, reduce the flame to low medium and then cover it and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. And after 2 to 3 minutes, you will see when we remove the cover, the vegetables have released their moisture. At this stage, add the eggplant and red chili powder, and 3 tablespoons of, actually I have taken a sambar powder, but 2 tablespoons I'll add at this stage and 1 tablespoon I'll add later. Now mix everything and saute on high flame for 1 to 2 minutes just till the sambar powder gets roasted and releases a very nice smell, and then add around half cup of water and again cover it and cook it on low medium flame for 7 to 8 minutes till the vegetables are just semi done. In this way, the vegetables, you can see they are looking intact, yet they are already cooked more than half. Now just mix all the ingredients, and at this stage actually the sambar powder with this tempering and all releases very nice aroma. And now at this stage we'll add the tamarind pulp and then goes in the shells, onion shells and jaggery, and now mix everything. The reasons to add onions at this stage is that onion shells, they will be not completely cooked, so you can actually feel these onions when you take bite of the sambar. And now let it cook on open, be on open on medium flame. Meanwhile my cooker has released all the pressure, and I'll just open it and show you the dal, the lentil, what should be the consistency of a perfect restaurant style sambar. And as you can see, I just took a spoonful of lentil and I'll just show you, it's looking whole intact, but the moment I press it, it's completely mushy. That means the dal or the lentils has perfectly cooked, yet it's whole. I'll just show you another one. You can see randomly I'll pick one and see, it's looking so plump, but the moment I touch it, it's just starts vanishing, it just melts away in my hand. So now I'll just mix it using a whisker here. Never use a hand blender at this stage. If you use the hand blender, then the consistency will not be attained that we need. And see, this should be the consistency. The lentil should be whole and yet it should be cooked. So this is perfect. And till in between my vegetables had been cooking or simmering on low medium flame, and at this stage I'll add the remaining sambar powder that I had told, 1 tablespoon. That will now give a very nice smell, and then I'll add the cooked dal or lentil and increase the flame to highest and wait till this sambar gets a nice boil. So see, after 3 to 4 minutes it has started to boil. Now lower the flame to lowest and let it cook on low medium flame for good 7 to 8 minutes. And after 7 to 8 minutes of cooking on low medium flame, actually this sambar has gained the perfect consistency and the remaining rawness of the vegetables is completely gone. See, I'm just showing you, this is perfectly cooked. So my sambar is almost done here, and you can see how beautifully these vegetables have retained their color and texture, and it's looking so beautiful. It's not at all mushy. Everything has its own characteristics. And to finish it, I'll add my special touch. I always add few curry leaves and chopped coriander leaves. Give it a nice mix and our sambar is just perfect. And I'll just serve it. You can enjoy this sambar with idlis, rice, dosas, varas, and I actually love it with steamed rice. And you can see I am serving this sambar, how beautiful my veggies are looking, and the consistency of the gravy is so perfect. So here comes sambar in Sue's food corner style. I have shared many tips and tricks to make this perfect restaurant style sambar, and once you make sambar in this way, everyone will love it. And when you make this sambar, your neighbors can always smell that yes, they are cooking sambar. Believe me, the aroma is so heavenly. Give this recipe a try and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.